Okay, y'all, so it's been a minute since I have actually vlogged and vlogged anything pertaining to makeup, beauty, anything. So actually, I'm going to be vlogging me going to go see my friend. Actually, it's her wedding. I keep saying actually, my bad. It's her wedding, and she asked me to do her makeup a couple months ago. So I'm going to pack my kids, and I'm going to try to get as much of the snippets as possible when I do her makeup, because you already know she gonna be gorgeous. So yes, I wanted to show you guys the kit that I got from Amazon. I'll link it below if any of you guys are interested. But hold on one second. So this is what the box looks like. It's Vasker. And then I'm going to turn the camera around so that you guys can see what it actually looks like. So as you see, this part has the dividers in there. It had more, which is right here, but I took them out because there are bigger items that I actually need to put in here. So once I put the bigger items in here, I'll just put the dividers back in there around that bigger. Okay, guys, here's the part that we've all been waiting for. I'm getting ready to pack my kit and situate all the items in there, and I'm going to show you the brand names of things and what's exactly going in there. Of course, you already know it's AJ Crimson in this kit, honey. So I'm still gonna show y'all that, but y'all already know this is an AJ Crimson channel, so that's what we do here. But I'm gonna show you guys the inspiration picture right here, and then I'm just gonna show you how I'm gonna pack right next. Okay, y'all, so this part I just kind of showed y'all what I had left to pack in my kit because it started getting rough, and I should have got the extra large size instead of the large for this carry-on because I would have been able to fit more in there. This is Amber Barista. We're getting ready to go to the reading terminal. Y'all don't know nothing about that. Good morning. Today is the day of the wedding, and I did help her with her special day at the Westin Hotel. This hotel was beautiful inside and out. The professionalism and the customer service was top tier. I would definitely recommend this hotel.
For me a little bit. We'll just, flip and flip. Oh, this is so lightweight. Girl, you really went for comfort too. Like class, elegance, and comfortable. Oh, he's gonna cry. He's gonna cry.